Recently I've been doing a few uploads on portable PA systems, rather than the heavy stuff. So I just thought I'd follow it up with a quick sound demo of my good old but trusty Denon Envoi or Envoi Go. This system is a lot cheaper than many other portable PA systems. When using this system and listening to it, you'd expect it cost so much more than it did. I've left the EQ flat and I've come directly off a smartphone into channel 1. I won't waste any more time. Here's a quick sound demo. Listen and enjoy the Envoi, and I shall follow it up with a short review.